we were discussing this $500 billion investment for AI. So what do you make of all of this? What do you got on the radar?
Well, I'll touch on the AI stuff, and then I'll go to my actual radar. Artificial intelligence, we have to spend a lot of money. Okay, we actually are running neck and neck in China. We've blown our lead. China, I just want to come over here and make sure I get the name of this company correct. China has a model called DeepSeek that is now mildly outperforming the leading model in the US, which is OpenAI. It's doing as well on math and programming as ChatGPT, as Claude 3.5 Sonic. It's also completely open source. What's really interesting is the Chinese kids did something a little bit different. We're massively training with huge amounts of data our AI models. DeepSeek didn't have a market that they had to worry about because they're a Chinese company. They just let it learn through let their model learn through trial and error. So it's gone from solving in math 15.6% of all problems to 86.7% just by practicing and learning by failing. So this thing's, it's catching up. So $500 billion, that's a down payment on what we're going to have to spend, Ryan. And then, the infrastructure coming in is going to be huge. Larry Ellison cut a fat slice of the deal.
Yep.
But the truth of the matter is a simple truth, guys. Whoever wins the race, all right? There's 3 races, okay? You got to win 2. If you win 2, you dominate the world for the foreseeable, and I'm thinking very long-term foreseeable future. 1, obviously AI. Whoever gets to AGI first, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. Secondly is quantum computing. If you get to actual quantum computing first and AI, that's over maybe forever. Whoever gets there first is dominant. And then the other one's fusion energy. This is going to take way more commitment. We're thinking Manhattan Project level commitment from government and private industry to work together to solve this. And underlying all that is all these energy and infrastructure concerns that we're going to have to address. So there's going to be a lot of money to be made in energy and infrastructure going forward from here. So that's my thought on that. That's, of all the things that got done over the last couple of days, that was my favorite. So.
Yeah, no question. I mean, and kudos to you, because we've actually talked about this already, and we've talked about the energy needs, the bridge to energy needs, or the bridge to nuclear and fusion, some of the stuff that's more, let's call it further out.
You had to be politically blind not to see that. You had to be struck. You had to be love struck with the story not to understand it. We can't get there with renewable and nuclear as quickly as we might like to. So, but anyway, enough of that. You guys have fun with that. Rock and roll, trade your stuff, try to pick out your winners and your losers and sort it all out.
I was going to say, we're going to have all of the quantum names seem to be back here this week.
Well,
back yesterday and back today. So we're going to have plenty of fun with that.